Bonjour mon ami, this is Llyane Stanfield, and today I'm starting a daily Minute with Llyane, a video series of daily videos for the next 24 days, where I'm going to give you a little sample of my signature program, J'Ouellette Intensif, from the level 0 to an advanced level of conversation. So this way you will know much more in depth about the program, where it takes you from 0 and where it gets you to. And these videos are not going to be available forever. They will be available though on my website, and if you want to have lifetime unlimited access to these videos, please click on the link that's in the description of this video. So yes, as you click on that link on my website, you will have not only a replay of these videos, but you also have the spelling of the expressions that I'm introducing. So you have a minute every day that you use to practice. So aside from the fact that you are going to be introduced to the program and how it goes, but also to practice every day 1 minute. It's not much, it's something, and it sets a habit, which is usually important. Many people find that they don't have time to practice every day because, well, it is too much. We are busy, but you should find 1 minute, and this is why I'm doing this for you, so that I help you for the next 24 days to create a habit that will help you with the consistency that is needed to acquire French language. So today is a snippet from a sample from the J'Ouellette Intensif program, level A, lesson 1. So the program is split in 2 levels, A and B, which is Alliance Française gives you A1, A2, B1, B2. So A1, A2 is the beginner level, and B1, B2 the intermediate level. My program ends in low level C1. So which is low level advanced. The program starts with the alphabet and then with some words. I didn't choose that to start with, but the official lesson 1 is where we introduce the expression, the question, qu'est-ce que c'est? And the answer for feminine and for masculine. So we introduced the question, qu'est-ce que c'est? And as well, it is something feminine or it is something masculine. Qu'est-ce que c'est means what is this? And literally the translation word for word means what is this, what this is. It is a question that is a little more complicated than most people are looking for or I guess are signing up for, but it's not necessarily used, is not used only by beginners. It is kind of 50-50. This question is used like 50% of the times. The answer to this question would be c'est un livre, for instance. This is a book, being masculine for a book. Or if it's a feminine noun, c'est une table, c'est une table. This is a table. So, qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est un livre. Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est une table. For those of you who are wondering if why don't I make the liaison? It is because I choose not to make the liaison for beginners. This is lesson 1. It's already a sentence. It's already a conversation if you really notice. Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est un livre. Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est une table. So when I'm saying in my videos that I am starting conversation from lesson 1, I'm actually starting conversation from lesson 1 with the beginners who start from 0. We typically do pronunciation before the first lesson, and that's going to introduce a number of words, but the pronunciation course. But it is so important to introduce a small number of words, verbs, and expressions like this one, so that you already can make a conversation at a very, very basic level. I don't want to keep you longer. I promised a minute, and I'm going to keep my word. So these videos are not going to stay on the page for too long. They're going to stay a few days, really. And so if you want to have access to all the videos and to the transcription, as in the spelling, French spelling of the French expressions, please come on over to the link that's in the description of this video. Stay on your game and keep going for your dreams to become bilingual. Learn to speak Parisian French and break your language barrier. Merci beaucoup et à demain. Au revoir.